Welcome to the Crash Lab. Today the LEGO Toyota Supra MK4, 292 parts, and a driver who has no idea what's coming. Good news for this build, most of the details are printed, not stickers, so there's less to peel off when things go wrong. 5 tests, 10 to 100 miles per hour. Let's crash. 10 miles per hour, 0 parts lost. But freeze it right here and look at the driver. He's already come loose in his seat. Nothing broke, something moved. Remember that? 25, and there goes that windshield exactly where it was already loose. 2 parts gone. But watch the driver in slow motion. The car stops. He doesn't. His head snaps forward hard enough that we had to give this replay its own name. He's still in the seat for now. 50 miles per hour, this time the Supra doesn't just stop, more glass and cockpit pieces in the air. 3 parts down. But look at the body, still one solid block. The roof keeps taking the damage, so the chassis doesn't have to. 75 the Supra shatters, and this time the driver goes with it. Ejected across the track, no seatbelt, no chance. And here's what surprises me. Only 5 parts. At this speed most cars in this lab leave a debris field. This one throws its driver out and keeps almost everything else together. 100 miles per hour. Full send, and this is where the front finally gives up. 14 parts after just 5 at 75. Everything this car has been holding together for 4 rounds lets go at once. And the driver takes his second flight of the day. But look at the back of it. Nothing, not a single part. All that force stops at the cockpit and never reaches the rear. This car doesn't fail everywhere. It fails exactly where it hits the wall. Stud grip, 4 out of 5. The roof section lets go early, but everything else holds through 4 full crashes. Core structure, 4 out of 5. All that force stops at the cockpit and never reaches the rear. Not even at 100. Rebuildability, a perfect 5, big printed panels, almost no tiny pieces, and the whole car goes back together in minutes. That makes it 4 out of 5 stars for the Toyota Supra, one of the toughest cars we've tested. Barely a part lost until 75, and even when the front finally goes, the back of the car doesn't care. Should I strap this driver in and send him back into the wall? Tell me in the comments and tell me which car crashes next. See you at the next crash.